Choosing a new set of brake pads from the sea of brands and types available can seem daunting, but you don't have to be a specialist to make the right decision. Bendix will ensure you choose the best brake pads for your vehicle and driving style with their simple selection guide. Matching a specific brake pad formulation to your driving style as well as the vehicle will net you the best possible braking performance and shortest stopping distance. Start the selection process by choosing the driving style which matches your own. Then move on to the vehicle type, from small to large, commercial or anything in between. You may be presented with one or two options and a description of what each pad excels at. From here, all you must do is seek the Bendix part number specific to your vehicle via My Garage online or tablet in-store. The right Bendix brake pad will deliver outstanding performance, low noise, reduced dust and exceptional longevity. Fit Bendix at all corners for your next brake service and put your foot down with confidence.